So my name is Gabriel Demmer. I work at Festo and the Institute of Polymer Product Engineering as a research associate. Festo develops and sells products for industrial automation. This is pneumatically actuated robot, and the challenge here was to use additive manufacturing technology to build most of the parts of it and then make it actually work and make it a working robot. What's interesting to learn is which skills will be required in the future to make things, to develop things quicker and better. There's a lot of knowledge required in material science, the behavior of materials, and then also the tools that we use to design these additively manufactured structures. My advice for someone starting with additive manufacturing would be to do not just look at additive manufacturing process, but also at the processes or steps that are before and afterwards in the development. Because you can just fully utilize the potential of additive manufacturing if you design the parts specifically. And if you merge several parts into one part, it doesn't make much sense to take a part that was manufactured, let's say by milling or turning, and then just optimize it to build products, components specifically for additive manufacturing. What excites me about additive manufacturing is that you can build very complex geometries, and this enables to develop structures that make sense. So you can go into lightweight design, for example, but also build deformable structures with a desired structural behavior. I think Altair has the same idea about the future as I have, and what's needed, which tools are needed. I think we can both learn from each other, because Altair is always interested in real application, people that really use the software and to build something that's working with the software.